Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Sawan Kumar. And what are we not going to get right today is we are not going to complain. We are not going to keep complaining about things in our life, about problems in our life, about issues in our life, about having no money in our life, about not having a perfect balance in our life, about not having a perfect body in our life, about not having a healthy mindset in our life, about so many things that we complain about. We are going to stop complaining. We are going to stop complaining. But what are we exactly going to do if we stop complaining? What are we exactly going to do if we stop complaining? We will not be left with anything to do. And that is what exactly we need to do. We need to stop complaining so that we are left over with a lot of time that we can now turn into productive time. Complaining time removed from the life and productive time brought in. So if you have complaints about money, work more. If you have complaints about your work-life balance, take more vacations. If you have complained about your health, about your body, take care of your health, eat healthy, work out more. If you have complaints about your friends, your neighborhood, your society, change your neighborhood, change your society. But stop complaining, because complaints are not going to take you anywhere. Complain is one thing that has no value at all. It does not have any value. It does not carry any value. So stop complaining today in your life. You only end up losing and wasting a lot of time when you complain. I don't think any one of us would love to waste or to spend time in something that carries no value at all. It does not even give us that peace of mind when we complain. It in fact actually irritates us even more. It makes us feel down and feel negative on energy even more when we complain. We feel the urge of complaining because somewhere we are not happy about ourselves. We complain about everything in our life, everybody else in our life, because somewhere we are not happy about ourselves. And this is what we need to understand. Whatever complaints you have in your life, whatever complaints you have for your neighbors or for your friends or your teachers or your seniors or your employer or anybody, government, taxation, whatever complaints you have, those complaints are actually not from them but from yourself. If you have a complaint for your friend, if you have a complaint for your elder brother, your sister, your family or your neighborhood, you do not actually have a complaint for them. It's basically something that is missing in you that you are complaining about. So if I do not like a neighborhood, who has asked me to stay in that neighborhood? Why am I supposed to stay in that neighborhood? If I did not like the neighborhood, I changed my home 6 times in the last 5 years. So if I did not like a particular neighborhood, I change. If I did not like the work I was doing, the business I was doing, the profession I was in, I changed. I just changed. Instead of complaining, which nobody anyways is going to listen to, instead of complaining, I work on it and make sure that I am not left with that same complaint once again tomorrow. I take control of the complaint. I take control of the complaint and work on it and make sure that that complaint does not come up again. That complaint never comes up again. That is how exactly you need to take care of the complaints. Instead of just complaining and bragging and crying over the problems that you have in your life, which nobody is interested in listening to, you need to start taking control of those complaints, control of those problems, and work on it. Take actions, work on it, and resolve those complaints, resolve those problems, resolve those issues, and you will see that you are having a far better life, a far easier life, and a life where you have stopped complaining. Rather, you have started performing. When you stop complaining, you start performing. When you stop complaining, what do you start doing? You start performing. Your life starts performing. Your body starts performing. Your mind starts performing. Your dreams start performing. What else do you want? So be a performer and not a complainer. I wish you all the very best in becoming the performer of the day and not the complainer of the day. Have a good day. Bye-bye.